Good morning and welcome to the second video of this series. We are still on Mahé in the Seychelles and it's I think 8:30 right now. We are on the Copolia trail and we got up this early because we tried to avoid the midday sun and heat. Right now it's I think 26 degrees Celsius and this is supposed to be a 2-hour hike. I guess we might take a little longer because we are going to film a lot, because I mean, look at this, it's just beautiful. Join us, enjoy the scenery, let's go. I'm not sure if it catches up on camera, but I'm sweating like I'm soaked. This trek is rated a medium trek, which I can get, like it's not that far and there are pretty steep climbs on the way. So and that combined with the humidity and the temperature, that makes you sweat. So make sure to pack enough water, and maybe this is not recommended for hiking with kids or with elderly people, but pretty enjoyable, and we are pretty excited for the view that we are going to see in a minute. The top, and what a view it is. I think it worth the hike, but on top of this reward we got ourselves these small little vegetable balls, and we got 4 of these, 2 drinks for the night, some bread and some apples, and all that combined was about 10 euros, which is like 154 Seychelles rupiah. Cheers. Pretty falafel-like, a little bit spicy, but quite tasty. Yum, 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 yum. On the way back, we're in the middle of the jungle. Not sure if you can hear this, but it started raining and the sound is so cool, like all the raindrops on the leaves. That's amazing. After it started raining heavily, we decided to drive to the botanical garden, and there we waited for the rain to stop. But it didn't, and it still looks kind of unstable. So we decided to drive into Victoria and made our way to Little Big Ben over here, which makes me feel connected to my brother who lives near London, where Big Ben lives. And now we're going to explore the city for a bit. Join us, let's go! We are not quite sure why, but everything, including the market, seems to be closed today. Yesterday was the 1st of May, which was Workers' Day or something like that. So it was a national holiday, and yeah, maybe that's why everything's still closed. I don't know, but we keep exploring. Anyways, let's go. Okay, so we decided to head further to the west coast because the weather looked way better up here. Now it's about to change, I guess. But yeah, we spent some time at the beautiful Anse Royale, which you can see in the background. And yeah, we had quite a little bit of sleep there. And now, obviously, we're going to snorkel for a little while. See you down there. We just came back as it was raining, and when we came back to the car, that one hit in. Woo! So yeah, it gets kind of mixed weathers. Right now the sun is out, but I guess there might be rain or even worse. But we try to make the best out of it, driving up around the north coast of the island, and stop by every now and then if we spot beautiful beaches and boulders like this. So let's see some more beautiful scenery and enjoy the views as long as we can. We made it all the way down to the north coast, which greeted us with this incredible views, which we are going to enjoy for a while, and then the day is going to come to an end, and as well does this video. So now is the time to make sure to hit the subscribe button, hit the like button as well, and then I hope I will see you again in the next video. I will be there, I hope you will be too, and until then, try to escape the 9 to 5, at least in your mind, for a little while. See you over there, enjoy.